Hello everyone, today we are going to install our Vergo Code mesh high back office chair. So I'm gonna quickly unbox this Vergo Code high back chair. So the unboxing is done. I'll quickly unwrap the packing. So as you can see, we have unboxed the chair. We have got the assembly guide inside the box. So quickly cross check all the parts and check it if all the parts are available with the assembly guide. You can see all the parts with the images available here: A, B, C, D, seat with mechanism, back, base with wheels, armrest, gas lift cover and Allen key. So I'll quickly install the chair, get started with the assembly. We'll first do the base assembly. So the step 1, insert the gas lift in the base stand. So as you can see, I've kept the base ready. So this cover will be already fixed with the base. Sometimes there is a possibility that might not be fixed, so you can just keep it like this. Take the gas lift and put it like this on top of the base, then the gas lift cover. Step 1 is done, the base is ready. Now we will quickly move towards the step 2, which is installing the seat with the armrests. So I'll take the help of this box. So we have sent you the box along with the chair. You can simply place the seat on top of the box like this. So what we have done is, we have pre-fixed all the screws with all the parts, so you can simply unscrew the pre-fitted screws and then install it with that particular part. We have given you two Allen keys, one is small and one is big. So the small one will be used to fix the armrest. Now what I will do is, I'll quickly remove these screws, unscrew these screws which are prefixed with the seat. I've removed all the screws. Now I'll quickly align the arms with the seat and then fix the arms with the help of the same screws. So as you can see in the armrest, in the bottom of the armrest, you will see the R and L sign, which means the R and the left, right and the left. So the right armrest will always come near to this side of the lever. So where the lever is, you can simply just align the right armrest at the side of the lever. So I'll just quickly align it like this and put the screws halfway with my hands. Just put them halfway. Don't fix them completely, otherwise it might not get aligned. So one by one, just fix them halfway. Make sure all the screws are very tight so that you don't get any alignment issues. So the right armrest is installed. Now I'm gonna take the left one. You can see the L mark and you can just simply put it on the other side, which is empty. Same way, align it properly. Take the screws, put them halfway like this. Put them halfway with the help of your hands. Don't fit them completely. Please make sure the alignment of these screws are same. As you can see, I have kept it inside properly so that there is not much gap in the seat and between the seat and the arm. Then firmly tighten it with the help of the Allen key. The armrests are already installed now. Now we will move towards the another step. Within the same step 2, we will fit the backrest with the seat. Let the seat be like this only. We need to take the support of this box again. Take the back. Again, the screws, as you can see, are pre-fitted with the back. Now I'm gonna remove them and then we will install the back with the help of the same screws. For the back screws, you will need the bigger Allen key. So just simply remove these screws. As you can see, I have already removed all the 3 screws. Now take the back and align it with the backrest like this and tilt it a bit and apply some pressure. You might need to take some help from some of your friends or family. As you can see, we have finally aligned the back with the seat. Now I'm going to take the screws and fix the backrest. Now firmly tighten it with the help of the Allen key. Please make sure the screws are properly tightened, otherwise you might feel that the back and the seat alignment is not correct and you might feel there is manufacturing defect. So ensure the screws are properly tightened and aligned properly within this area and the same way. As you can see, the chair upper body is ready, the seat and the back is installed. The step 2 is done. Now we will move towards the step 3, which is installing the lower body and the upper body. So what we suggest is taking the lower body, the base, and then connect it with the seat mechanism like this. Take it safely. I am experienced because I am able to take it. Now the chair is not ready yet. We have just placed the upper body and the lower body. You will need to adjust the height once before using it. This is done now.